This is an assembly of worn-out wheels removed from railway engines and rolling stock. The wheels of rail platforms also wear away from attrition after traversing rail tracks repeatedly. Ideally, when the wheels of train engines, coaches and wagons wear out, they should be reprofiled and reinstalled for continued use on the platforms from which they were detached. To understand it better, reprofiling is a process similar to the reboring of worn-out tires which are subsequently refitted on vehicles for further use. In rail transportation, wheels are reprofiled repeatedly until such wheels can no longer be redeemed again through that process. But reprofiling itself can only be done when the machine which carries out that task, the wheel lathe machine, is available. Where it is not, new wheels have to be provided to replace the worn-out wheels removed from platforms so that they could return to service. And where a new set of wheels cannot be purchased, the affected platform would be grounded indefinitely. Unfortunately, for prolonged years prior to when the Jonathan administration assumed office in May 2011, the NRC had no functional wheel lathe machine to reprofile the worn-out wheels of its engines, coaches and wagons, while it also lacked the funds to purchase new ones. This was yet another reason why rail transportation had collapsed in Nigeria. To preclude the new engines and rolling stock acquired for the NRC, as well as refurbished ones from suffering the same miserable fate, the Jonathan administration procured 3 brand new wheel lathe machines for the corporation, and these were for its carriage and wagon workshops in Lagos, Zaria and Enugu. Loaded on this freight wagon were the components of the wheel lathe machine meant for the carriage and wagon workshop of the NRC at Enugu, while the one for Zaria had already been moved to location. This vital investment by the administration and the effective utilization of the wheel lathe machine at the carriage and wagon workshop in Lagos has helped the NRC keep the refurbished and newly acquired platforms deployed on the Lagos-Kano Western Line in continuous operation.
Before the coming of this wheel, what we are doing is that once we have flat on tire or shaft flange, we shall remove the wheel and put aside and look for any new one. If we don't have it, it means that vehicle will not run again. And these are some of the things that led to railway being comatose, because there were no maintenance arrangements. And the good thing about this one is modern, it's digital, the accuracy is to the highest level. So by reprofiling, we are saving costs. Instead of throwing away, we are now recycling what should have been thrown away and saving costs. And that money that would have been used in buying new one, which is so much, would have used it either to buy new equipment and buy new coaches or new wagons. Quite unlike in the past where you just procure equipment, no plan for maintenance. This one, there is a spare parts plan for 2 years.